Have you worked in UK for years and now you want to return to India to enjoy dream and meaningful retirement in India? Then here is something which most and I don't know. You can lose up to 55% of your pension to UK taxes if you withdraw it directly. But they just matter way to bring your pension home legally and tax efficiently through something called QROPS, Qualifying Recognized Overseas Pension Scheme. It is a UK government approved route that allow NRI to transfer their UK registered pension corpus to India so they can enjoy better control, lower taxes and higher pension income. Now let's break it down. Tax efficiency. Transfer through QROPS are tax free in UK and only you need to pay applicable taxes in India, and thanks for double taxation avoidance agreement. Consolidation. So you can merge multiple UK pension fund into a single Indian plan. So simpler management and lower taxes. Higher income drawdown. QROPS allow you to access your pension income according to Indian parameters, not like UK guide rates. 25% tax-free withdrawal. Some QROPS option let you withdraw up to 25% of your pension fund in India. And most importantly, no inheritance tax. In case of unfortunate demise, your nominee get full remaining balance of your pension fund. Unlike 45% of inheritance tax in UK. In short, QROPS help you to bring your hard-earned pension home while keeping more of it into your pocket. As a chartered wealth manager, I am helping NRI to structure their UK pension transfer through QROPS tax efficiently. And if you have worked in UK and now you are planning to settle back in India, just DM me or comment QROPS. I will share how you can make this transition tax efficient, compliant and stress free. Remember, your pension represents decades of hard work. So make sure it support your retirement in the best way, not someone else's tax system. This is Devin Sharma, helping NRI build, protect and grow their wealth globally.